Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. I'm on this morning with a project share. It's an outgoing project share and a quick tutorial. So this project is for a swap group and I'm actually an angel for this swap. If you don't know what an angel is, if you're new to swapping, an angel is someone who steps in and provides a swap, like a replacement swap to someone who got flaked on. Hopefully that never happens to you. I know I've had that happen to me many times and it is frustrating. So I definitely know how it feels. So when I have a chance to help out, I try to help out when I can. And for this lady, she's missing her tea bag swap. And so this is what I created. And the requirements were just to send a tea or two, package it nicely in a nice, box or however type of packaging you want to, and you send it to your partner. And so I created this tea pocketbook. So this pocketbook holds 4 teas. So I'm going to actually send her 4. And when you open it, I made 2 pockets, one on each side. And I put some die cuts here and some word sentiments on this side here. So this is the tutorial I'm going to do if you want to stick around. But I really like how this turned out. Something cute and simple. I decorated it here with some really cute butterfly dies. I just got this die set. I believe it was from Temu. It's just this here. And I cut a few. They don't all cut sharp. So like these 3 in the middle, I think, or a few of them don't cut out. So I was kind of disappointed in that, but oh well. And then this tea and crafts is from KS Crafts, tea sentiments, and the doily back here is just a doily from my stash. And so yeah, and then the back here, I put my information, my Instagram, Jazzy Sweet Stuff, and my YouTube. And in here, this die set is from Elizabeth Craft. I don't have it out. I think I put it away. Sorry, but this is an older die set. So I made her 3 teacup embellishments, and I left them flat purposely so she can decorate it how she wants. And then on this side here, I made some sentiments, and these again are from the KS Craft tea sentiment collection. So it says, but first tea, best teas, tea-rific, and sweet tea. I thought those are really cute, and they'll be useful. I kept them in very neutral colors, which is just pink with white wording, so she can use them in many of her projects. And so yeah, so this is how it turned out. I really love it. And so if you want to see how I made this, it's super quick and easy. This is like a scraps project pretty much. You can make this with your 12 by 12 scraps, or if you have like 6 by 6 paper pads, you can definitely use those because what it requires, let me just get my things out here. So you need 1 6 by 6 sheet of paper, and that will be the base of the book. And then for your pockets, you're going to need 1 sheet that is 3 by 6. And for the second pocket, you can make it, because it's scraps, I didn't really measure, but I think this one is like maybe 2.5 or 2 1/4. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use this piece because this is a scrap, and this one measures 2 1/4. So it's 6 by 2 1/4. The bottom pocket is going to be through 3 by 6. And then if you want to make inside pockets like this, let's see here, you would need 2 inches by 6. And if you want to do 2 pockets, you need 2 pieces. If you want to do 1 pocket, obviously just 1, or you don't even have to make pockets. You can leave it blank and use it like a card. You can put your teas out here and make this a card, and you can mat inside here white, and you can decorate the left side, or I mean, it's so customizable. I mean, once you learn how to do this, you can create it to how you want. So this is the collection I'm using, Floral Pavilion. And let's get started. So first, like I said, one 6x6 sheet of paper. And, oh no, not this here. You're gonna need your scoreboard. And you're also gonna need a 1-inch circle punch if you want to put notches in your pockets. So let's see here. I had this paper out too, so I kind of forgot. Let's do this one. So this here is 6x6, and all you need to do is either fold it in half, or you can score it at the 3-inch mark and then fold it. I can't fold straight for some reason, so I always score. I do the scoring. So there you go. So that's the first score. You just score your 6x6 sheet in half, but make sure if it has a design, you score properly, because you don't want to score it this way, because it would make the flowers go sideways. So you want it to go up and down, because it's like a book. You're going to open it. Okay, so keep that in mind. Then for the pockets, again, this one is 6x3, and you're going to score it at 1/2 inch, 1 and 1.5 inches on both sides of the 6-inch side. So you're going to go 1/2, 1, and 1.5. Then you want to flip it, and again do 1/2, 1, and 1.5. And you're going to do this on both pockets. And so, like I said, this one is 6 inches by just little over 2 1/4, but little less than 2 3/8. So this is, like I said, it's a scrap project. So it doesn't have to be the exact measurements, but you don't want it too big, because if you want to see, like say you have it like this, you see how you can see the top? I mean, you can make your pocket bigger if you want to, but if you want to see, like, you know, the pattern paper between, you would want to probably make it a little less than 3 inches. The bottom pocket would be the bigger pocket, if that makes sense. Okay, so this one again, you turn it, and then you're going to go 1/2, 1, and 1.5. And that's all you really need to do for the scoreboard. So now for your pockets, you're going to fold the first line that's closest to the middle. You're going to go in, out, and in. You see how shimmery this paper is? It's really pretty. And then the other side, you're going to do the same thing. In, out, and in. So it looks like this. Okay? You want to do that to both pockets. And if you want to make your notches, this would be the time to do it. I usually put mine together, and then I just try to find the middle, and then I just make my notch here. Oops, like so. See? So this will be your bottom pocket, the bigger one, and then the top. And so I'm going to show you really quick. When you put your pockets on, you want the first one to be flush to the bottom. And the second one, depending how tall it is, you can either flush it up to the first pocket, or you can put it underneath and layer it so you have a bigger top, like that, if that makes sense. So you see more of the design. So for this one here, I did layer it just a little. I overlapped it, if you can see, just about maybe a quarter, little less than a quarter of an inch. So it's your preference. And to make it look like a fan, you see how it's coming out? First, what we're going to do, we're going to glue the bottom like this, just so that it has that fanning effect there. And again, before you, I should have mentioned that, but I'm sure y'all know, before you do your notches, make sure you look at your pattern because you don't want the pattern to be upside down. So we're going to go ahead and just glue the bottoms here, all the in the M. I call it the M because it looks like an M. So you're going to glue that M down just at the edge, and that way when you glue it to your book, it looks like that, and it's flat at the bottom. Okay, so it's not, let me use my hot glue, works faster. Okay, so we're going to do that and then take that off. And then we're going to do that to the other side here. Just glue that M down. So you're going to go in here, that inside and there, and glue that down. Sorry, I hate all these glue strings here. So that's how the first, the top pocket will be. And then you do the same thing to the bottom pocket. You want to just close up the bottom so you have the, again, the same fan effect. Like so. All right, we're almost done with the pockets. That's the only thing I don't like about the hot glue. I mean, it's really good and secure most of the time, but it's just so much glue strings. It's crazy. All right, so we got our pockets done. Super easy, right? Then this is where it's up to you. Do you want to leave it as a card? You have your teas out here, you open it up and you write something to your partner, or for, you know, your Happy Meal, or do you want to make pockets and send them other goodies? For this one here, I'll probably, let's see if I have another strip for like a scrap strip is what I'm trying to say, and I don't, because I've already used them all. So I'll just do one pocket like so, and again, this is 6 inches by 2 inches. And if you want to put a notch, you want to do that before you glue it, like so. And what you're going to do is you're just going to glue the 3 edges here, 1, 2, 3, and then that's your pocket. So let me get my glue here. And I'm not worried about the inside being white because I can always mat this side. You can even mat this before, you can mat this side as well before you put this pocket on, but I'm just going to leave it white because this is just my tutorial demonstration here. So you have the inside pocket on, and now you're going to work on the outside. So depending how much of the book you want to see at the top, like I said, is going to determine where you place your first pocket. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this real quick. You put the first pocket on. I'll probably do it about there, like so. Okay. Then my second pocket, this is going to be another one that overlaps. Like I said, you don't have to overlap it. You can just butt it against each other and make this higher or make this shorter. It's up to you. But just for tutorial purposes, I'm just doing this really quick. You want it against the bottom, like flush. and then make sure the sides are correct and in. And just press it down, make sure everything's secured really good. And here's your tea pocket. So you can put it in here, like I said, see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it fits perfect. I'll probably put this one on the top. That one seems to be a bit more bulkier, like so. And then you just decorate your pocket. And in here, you know, you can put whatever you want inside here. You can even close this up if you wanted to, like close, you know, glue this edges here and leave the top open, and you can make that a pocket. You can put tags in here or something, or you can make it a pocket out here. You can just glue the top and bottom and make that a pocket. So many possibilities, like I said. Really fun project. A good way to use your 6x6 paper pads. Like I said, also your scraps. But I really like how this turned out. So I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for stopping by again. I really appreciate it. Hope you all have a happy Tuesday, and I will see you all soon. Bye.